Hey guys, welcome back to another review. For this video, I'm doing a review on the zombie pack, mainly to let you guys see how it works on sensitive skin. This is also my very first time doing it too, so let's get started. Inside the package, you will receive a brush, an activator, along with these. Comes in 2 of these, so there's 4 total. Once you combine the activator with the powder, make sure you mix it really well. I think maybe I took too long. I should have mixed it a lot faster because I noticed that the clumps were forming and it wasn't really dissolving like evenly. So perhaps I can try that next time and see if that will help. From my understanding, you're supposed to apply it on fairly quickly. From the time you put the activator into the powder, you're supposed to do it very quickly, and then applying it to your face as well. Okay, now I'm going to apply this onto my skin. I don't think the smell is that bad from what everyone's saying. These are like the clumps. I do notice that once it is drying, I can feel the tightness. I'm not gonna go too far down just because I'm kind of scared. I do have like an itchiness on my neck. Oh, I'm gonna go all the way down onto my neck. All right, so now I'm just gonna have to wait and see how all this dries up. This is how it looks like after applying. I did it all on my neck. Oh, it feels really cooling. I do notice like the upper lip right here, it's a bit of a thinner application, so it is drying up pretty quickly. Okay, so it states that I should leave it on for a good 10 to 15 minutes until this is completely dry. Right now, it's so tight that I can't really move too much with my lips. I'm excited to really see the after result, so we're gonna have to do a side-by-side comparison after I wash my face. It gives me the sensation of when you put liquid egg whites on your face. So we'll leave it on for another 10 minutes and I'll come back to show you how it looks. Okay, so it's been like 5 minutes in and I literally feel very stiff. It's tightening so much to the point where I feel like my face is pulsating. Yeah. I don't know if I mentioned this, but I have sensitive skin. This states that it's been tested for skin irritation. It's not irritating my skin, it's just tightening up and my face is probably not used to it. But it is very, very tight. No wonder why they said to avoid the eyes, because I don't really think you're going to be able to blink. Okay, well, now that I'm reading the instruction, it says, apply mixed formula evenly all over the face except the areas around the eyes and mouth. Clearly the mouth, I guess not, don't get too close. I think it's not as bad, but for sure on the eyes, it's going to be really, really stiff and irritated. Like, can you guys see the tightness? This side is still kind of wet or moist. You're not supposed to peel, you're just gonna wash this off with lukewarm water. Oh my gosh, look at that. I got like 2-3 more minutes before I officially wash this off. Alright guys, it's been about like 10-15 minutes now, and this is the result of how it looks like. And I'm going to go ahead and wash this off with lukewarm water to see if there's like a difference. So far, it's fine. I don't see anything like too bad of a mask. The feeling is very thrilling. I don't know if that makes sense. It's like, it's tightening up. It's a very, very active face mask. Like you feel everything. Okay, I am back after washing and My face feels very soft. It did take a long time to let everything soak in so I can get it out. A lot of rubbing. So if you have sensitive skin just like me with rosacea, then it will make your face a little bit redder compared to maybe your normal routine. But this is the after result. There's no tightness. Oh, I guess I didn't do a good job on the it does take a long time to wash, and so you just got to make sure like you spend a good time just rubbing through. Like right here, I noticed there's some here too. But overall, I liked it. It was a very good, fun experience. I think this is a great way to gift for someone who's into face care like myself. So if the company of this line is watching, I'll be more than happy to do more reviews and test out your products. Just throwing it out there. But aside from that, I'll see you guys in my next video. I hope this was helpful. Thanks. Bye.